Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Slide open locking mechanism and remove battery. Remove optical drive screws. Using a plastic scribe, push to release the optical drive from the optical drive bay. Next, use a plastic scribe to release tabs and remove keyboard bezel. Now use a plastic scribe to release tabs and turn over keyboard. Then disconnect and remove keyboard. Now remove bottom palmrest screws. Now remove upper palmrest screws. Then use fingers to pry apart base cover. Then disconnect the input-output board. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.